DJI Air 3. I bit the bullet. Of course, I had to get the Fly More combo with the extra batteries. We got the remote with the screen. Let's check it out. I'm excited. This actually, UPS came literally as I was walking out the door today, so I've been thinking about it all day. Let's get to it. So I've been using the Mavic 2 for about 2 years now, so I already know this thing is gonna be a monster. Already know. Excited. Let's check it out. Air 3. There are a lot of features I'm excited about trying with this one. Try to do it without cutting myself. I'm excited. All right, here we go. Step 1 of the unboxing. Here's a nice little carrying case. So when I got the Mavic 2, I actually got one that came with a nice case like this. These hard cases are so worth it. I think you can find them on Amazon for like $39 to $59. It's worth it. I was planning on getting one for the Air, but I mean, this is a cool little case. We'll see how it does. I'm excited. Let's finish this video. Just wanted to introduce the drone. Actually, we might add this video into the end of this video. I'm gonna move the camera, do like a little video of us taking, all the stuff out, all the fun stuff. Get it charged up, get it ready to go. Take it on a couple little flight missions tomorrow. So that was the drone. What is this? Maybe some cords, propellers. Yep, propellers, props. There we go. Look at that. Beautiful. I've been using the remote that I've had with the Mavic. It's been the one that you have to put your phone on. So this is batteries. And these batteries, I think I read that they should have a 46-minute flight time, which is crazy. So yeah, if you guys haven't yet, please make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. We'll be doing a lot of reviews, unboxing like this, just going over some of the products that we're getting, some of the newer stuff. The Air 3. I'm excited to share with you guys some new content. And this is gonna be a lot of fun. We're working on a lot of projects that require some nice drone work, so this is gonna be a lot of fun. All right guys, we'll see you next time.